The Michelin Mini Fridge 8 can is a handy little appliance. It's like a personal assistant for your cold drinks and snacks. This mini fridge is small and portable, so you can easily move it around. It works in your bedroom, office, or even your car. Imagine having cool waters whenever you want. Plus, it can hold up to 8 cans. This makes it perfect for keeping your favorites chilled. The Michelin Mini Fridge 8 can runs quietly. You will barely notice it's there. It has a simple design. Therefore, it fits easily on a tabletop. You can use it for skincare products too. Think of it as a cool haven for your creams. It also works well for breast milk. This little refrigerator is quite versatile. It has both 12-volt and 110-volt connectors, so you can use it in many places. There's no need to worry about warm drinks anymore. Overall, the Michelin Mini Fridge 8 can is a great buy. It's convenient and easy to use. It keeps your items cold, and it doesn't take up much space. While it doesn't have long legs or visible coils, its function is solid. You get a reliable way to keep things chilled. If you need a small, portable cooler, this is a good option. It brings a little bit of cool atmosphere wherever it goes. Pros: tabletop cooler, 12-volt and 110-volt use for drinks. Soda, good for wines, stores breast milk, use in car, great for dorms, outdoor. Patio use, holds 8 cans, easy to move, compact size, cools items well, LED light on door. Cons: limited capacity, may not get super cold, could be noisy, might use car battery. Small interior space, basic features only, cleaning can be tight, possible energy use, not for big items. Simple design features: portable, tabletop, beverage cooler, 12V, 110-volt power, for drinks, for skincare, use in car, use in dorms. 6 can capacity, LED light. This Michelin Mini Fridge is a small, portable cooler that can hold about 6 cans. It can be used in your bedroom, office, car, or even outside. It can keep drinks, skincare products, and even breast milk cool. It has an LED light inside so you can easily see what's inside. You can plug it into a regular wall outlet, 110V, or a car's power outlet, 12V. It's designed to be easy to carry and use in different places like dorm rooms or patios. This Michelin Mini Fridge is a small, portable cooler that can hold about 8 cans. It can be plugged into a regular wall outlet, 110V, or a car's 12-volt outlet, making it useful in bedrooms, offices, cars, dorms, and even outdoors. It's good for keeping drinks, soda, wine, and even breast milk cool. The fridge has an LED light on the door and is easy to move around because it's compact. However, it has a limited space inside, might not get extremely cold, and could make some noise. It's a basic cooler, so it doesn't have many extra features, and cleaning inside might be a bit tight. It's not meant for very large items.